The last thing that we need to do is test this application. So to test this application, I'm going to open it in developer mode and see if everything that we've built worked. So to open developer mode, I'm going to click on test right here. And developer mode is essentially a sandbox environment that allows you to test applications without actually messing around with sensitive production data. Everything that happens here stays here. So this is going to begin exactly the same way it would as if I were running it in the player. So I'll click on begin, and then I'm going to start entering text in the text enter box and say test this app. So you can start to see the value I'm putting in the variable entered text right here is showing up in this field. This will allow me to visualize things that may be happening under the hood. Okay, so the final step is just to see if it works, and I'll click on save text to table. And there we go, we have a new entry here. So maybe in version 2 of this application, when I click this button, I want to have it clear this variable. But for right now, I can just say this is working. Save it again. Do one more entry, our test was successful. Great, so at this point we've put in 3 different entries into this table. Just this test is working, or this app is working, etc. So from here, this is sort of one of the really fundamental features of Tulip, which is to take data entry and to simplify it, and to make your data visible in real time. So from here, we've ensured that this app is working, and in the final video, I'll just summarize what we've done.